Welcome to the 2025 September 12th edition of Easy English News.
Jamie Dimon, CEO of JP Morgan, says the U.S. economy is weakening. That's after a big correction in job numbers. He says the Fed may cut interest rates. Let's explore the details. JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon has warned that the U.S. economy is weakening after a major revision in job figures. The Bureau of Labor Statistics revised its previous job estimates, removing 911,000 jobs from its count for the year ending March 2025. Dimon made these remarks while opening JP Morgan's new $3 billion headquarters in Manhattan. He said that consumer spending is falling, even though companies are reporting good profits. This weak spending makes the economic outlook less certain. Because of this drop in job numbers and consumer confidence, Dimon predicts that the Federal Reserve, often just called the Fed, may cut interest rates at its next meeting. Lower interest rates can make borrowing cheaper, potentially encouraging people to spend and businesses to invest. To sum up, fewer jobs than expected and weaker spending have made experts, including Dimon, cautious. A cut in interest rates could be the Fed's way to boost the economy.